Alright, this video is to guide you as to how to add your bank card in order to buy coin for your ad on TikTok. This ad is almost set, but let's come down here. Now you can adjust the money from this point, okay? If I remove this, I can put maybe 1,000 naira. You can't put anything less than 990 naira, okay? For instance, see it here, 985. You notice they said minimum should be 990, okay? But let's go for 1,000. Okay, confirm. Though they will tell you here that, for instance, in this case, I need about 5,000 something to get the best results with this ad. But that's not the point here. The focus here is to guide you as to how to add your bank card and be able to buy coin. I use UBA card. You can as well try other bank cards. I don't know if they work, but I use UBA card. So when you come down here, it's 30, how much do I need? About 39 coin is what I need, but the amount I want to pay now is about 1,000 naira, okay? So when you hit recharge and you select the amount or number of coin you want to buy, okay, suppose you can select 70. If you want to buy like 140, this is not up to 140, it's close to it, so you can select 70. But when you click and enter here, when you click on recharge, you can adjust it to 140. What you do here is, you see this plus button here, you can click on it. So it has added another 70. Okay, so you see the amount has changed. If I click the minus, it drops it to just 70. Okay, if you want to buy like 210, you put the plus again the third time, so 3 times 70. Can you see it here? That will give you 210. Okay, now if you're buying 5 coin, if you're buying in 5, let's return. If you select 5 now and you go to recharge, the maximum you can do here is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you see, you can add more to this, okay? So you can only buy 5 times 10. That's that should be 50 coin using the 5 coin option, okay? So let's use 70 for now. Or let me still use 5. Probably I would recharge so that you see how it goes. So let's say I'm going for 10 coin. That's 240 naira. Now, already my card is added. Can you see my card here? But in your own case, your card won't be added. So let me show you what will happen or what you might see in your own case. Let me click here. So you'll see something like add credit or debit card. Okay, so when you click on it, it will bring up this part. Here is where you add the card number. Okay, I think it's about, let me check, this 444, that's 12, 16 numbers. So if you're using a Nigerian card, it's a 16 number digit. Okay, you add it here. Okay, let me just add something so you understand what I mean. Sorry, the app made it that you can screenshot this area. So I've added the number and it recognizes it as a Visa card. Then the next thing is the date. Check the date, expiration date of that card. So in my own case, I'm adding the expiration date. Then you check the back of the card. There is 3 number digit at the back of that your ATM card. So I'm adding mine. Now everything, he has already brought out my name and everything. So I can save this now. If I save it, I can continue. Now he has saved that card. Can you see here now? Here is showing Visa card. Can you see? Before it wasn't Visa card, okay? So I can decide to switch back to my other card, UBA card. Can you see it here? But let's see if access works. I'm not sure it works, but let me see if it works. I'm sure that UBA works. So I can click on buy, continue. Okay, it worked, okay? So I don't know why many people can't get by with adding their cards. This is Access Bank card and it's worked, okay? So I've just bought a coin. Let me go and show you, even though it's not up to what I needed to do this, okay? Because I just bought about 10 coin. Are you getting? So if we return to, then you need to hear this. If I return to this place now, let's go to settings and privacy. Let's get to balance. Okay, let me click on coin. Let's click up here. So you can see up here is coin history. Okay, this 6th of November. Can you see it here? That's the date, 6th of November 2024. The 10 coin. If you check the time, that's 12:17 in the afternoon. Up here is now 12:20 p.m. Okay, so it's around 12:17 p.m. that I bought the coin. Okay, so can you see 10 coin, the coin that I just bought now? Okay, so that's how to buy your coin. Okay, after you bought it, you can now, of course, you need to buy enough to be able to get the ads start running. Okay, so if you have any issues about buying a coin, still let me know, but I have confirmed to you that UBA card works, Access Bank card works. So I don't know the one you use. You might try it out. Let me know whether it works.